Hey, we're gonna see the Barbie movie today, so I'm gonna do an all pink look. I don't usually do get ready with me's, but we'll see. All right, so I'm using the Warriors Wear Pink Grwm Girls Serious Sota palette. I also use the Nomad Cosmetics Monteverde palette in the shade Orchid for a pink look. I'm using a precision eyelid brush, excuse me, from Complex Culture, just to like lay it down. I've been liking doing my darker shade on the outer corner first, messily. And then I've been loving these blend bunny brushes. They're really good for hooded lids. Just precise without getting out of control. So I'm using the shade Orchid from Nomad. They're pretty similar shades, so you can just use them interchangeably. I'm just using potentially a hot pink if you want to shop your stash. We're going to do look similar. I'm just blending, kind of setting it like, and I'm going to fix that. And then I'm using a bunch of palettes. I'm using the Actius Luna palette, which I was gifted from the owner. She's super sweet. Blend Bunny B4, using the shade Hidden. It's like a mid-tone pink. This is my kid's first movie in a theaters, and I haven't been to a movie theater since I think it was a scary movie. What was it? Oh, It. So it just shows you how long it's been. I'm excited. We're going with my mother-in-law. And then I'm using the Ladybug Glow Galaxy of Magic palette using the shade Momentum. If you use my code for Ladybug Glow on Etsy, it is vegan brie. You get 10% off. And then Grwm Girls, you can use the code BRIE10 for 10% off on their website. It's a nice light pink. So let me blend on the side, so ignore. I put my shimmers down. Then using NYX glitter glue. I just think this is the best glitter glue, especially for the price. Like, there's ones that are more, but I'm like, why would I want to pay more for the same quality? My cat's right there, and my dog is right here. My other cat, I don't know where Willie is. Maybe he's upstairs. Usually Willie, my all black cat, is with his sister Stella down there, but he's not right now. So I'm using this shade. I'll put the shade on the screen. It's from Terra Moons. I got it on Amazon. This is the only Terra Moon single that I own. It's really pretty. It has like I don't know, like gold, like all different shifts. A little bit of blue maybe. It was $9, which is for Terra Moons not a lot. There are cheaper ones, like I think $6, but yeah. I want to try more from Terra Moons, but they're expensive, so I'm excited to see their collab though. I think there's gonna be some singles, and then I'm using the shade Dreams from the Warriors Wear Pink palette, which has definitely a blue shift. I've been loving this shade. Really pretty. And then I'm using a bunch of palettes. All right, we just switch it around. I'm using the shade Sweet Slush from Divina, which is a light, really pretty pink. Maybe a little bit of a shift, but it's more of a white base. But just using it in here. My daughter, of course, got into my makeup, but she usually gets into my Scooby-Doo palettes from Glam Light because my kids are obsessed with Scooby-Doo right now. And then I'm gonna blend out, and I'm gonna do liner. All right, so I have the Micello foundation on. I have the Pink Lips from Ipsy Major Matte Face Primer. I don't know if this is actually matte, but I got this Micello sent to me. I'm using a e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer in the shade Summer Fridays, just to bronze up because Barbie's tan, okay? And then I'm gonna use a pink blush, which I usually don't do. Pink highlighter, which I usually don't do. I need to edit my video on this foundation and I'll show you guys, but it's really good. And I don't usually like full coverage. And then just to set, I'm going to use the LYS bronzer. I'm like, what else did my kid get into? Oh my God. Ofra Mini Mix Charm Your Cheeks palette. I'm going to use a shade, I don't know what this, and Candy and Pink Satin. Just a matte blush. I like matte blush, and then you can add like highlighter. I like glowy blushes too, but I do like matte blushes. This palette's really good. It's very long wearing. I got this in BoxyCharm. I'm gonna use a highlighter that's no longer available from Smashbox. I got this from my friend. It's from their Hood Witch collab, the crystallized highlighter in Opti Mystic. Pretty. And then we're gonna do lower lash line. Waterline. I don't know if I have like a pink per se waterline or like eyeliner. This one looks pink, but it's not really pink. It's from Moira. I have a whole video on these, the 6 that I have. This is in the shade Chroma. I love all of them, except for one, which I think I gave to my sister. It just did not last in the waterline. It was really weird. But the lighter ones, I have all the light ones, I believe. I want to get more, but I need to use up some other ones. I'm going to be doing some Project Pan kind of videos, like using up. I need to use a meter. Yeah, there's a pink. It has like a pink and blue shift. It's really cool. They're $6. You can get them on Amazon too, or their website. You can tell like there's like a pink, blue. And then lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna do something kind of simple. So I'm gonna use the shade Momentum. Light pink from Ladybug Glow. There's a bunch of palettes. She has a neutral palette. She has a lot of ones that have color too. It's a fun neutral palette too because there's multi-chromes. It's the Everyday Sparkle palette. I have videos, I believe, on all of the palettes. I like to do just kind of a simple lower lash line, personally. Like, I don't know, sometimes it's just easier. And then there's actually a pink in here too, Stardust. And then inner corner, we're gonna use, just to finish this up, and then I'll show you guys my final look, but I'm gonna use the shade, I'm gonna use shade Dreams again with a mixture of Tears from the Warriors Wear Pink palette. Because Tears has more of a purple blue shift, though I really do like it. And Dreams has more of like a pink shift. Put a little more Tears, it's brighter. Need more of a white based. Okay, I'm gonna use from Davina the shade Bubble Fizz. We're gonna use that instead. More of a white, so it's gonna be brighter. There we go. Pink, blue, sparkle. Your first movie.
I think still length in here.
We lasted most of the movie. My 2-year-old had a meltdown, so we didn't make it, but we were like 20 minutes short. It was really good. I'm trying to show you guys the shift. Like, I have a bunch of shifts in my eye, but you saw me when I applied it. But yeah, if you want to see me do more Get Ready With Me's, if you want to see me do Chatty Get Ready With Me's, it's just longer because I talk a lot. Let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.